Behind me, a whole team doing Cha Bing, Guzhu Cha Bing. Do you see how much work there is? After the harvest, the leaves are withered in a room just next door.
Pick the tear and then put it in here.
So this is the withering of the fresh leaves.
Maybe,
This is for Cha Bing.
yes, and next maybe we need 4 house, and then we go to here and
Okay.
take it 做茶饼。
So now, yeah, you see that the leaves are still quite green, so they are not yet done. We have to boil them a little bit longer. By doing the whole job, I learned the value of a Cha Bing.
You need to pull it high and then cut it. Yeah, like this.
It's good for digestion. a little bit of exercise.
It will cost you a lot of energy.
Yes. And then after that, they are creating like a dough that you can see here. They weigh every single.
This we need to take some water into some water.
Yeah, it's wet. Yes. So the towel is wet.
Oh yeah. Okay, then put it. Yeah. And then
And I fold it. Okay.
yeah. 必须用力
You press it.
Brush it.
press it.
Okay.
Then put it.
Then another fold.
Yeah. And then
Okay. Then we turn.
no. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And
And
then
again.
no. 那个小的，这里上次拿个小的了。
Neither.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then put it in.
And then here we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I found a way to improve the process. 3 in 1. Look. It doesn't work all the time, but like this. It's just the towel is a little bit more. And let's see how the cake are. Not bad. Lily. Good?
Yes, very good.
Good. 3 in 1.
3-1
You say money. The 3.
3个堆一起，好嘞。
We just finished pressing the small and the large ones. They are, when they're dry, they are 3 grams and 6 to 7 grams. I told you before that after the pressing, they go in the oven. In the oven, they stay 20 minutes at 72 degrees. And after that, they are dried in the baskets here for several days. Depending on the size and on the type of leaves, maybe 6 days, sometimes even 9 days. This is how the tea cake comes out of the oven. And those have been already drying here for a little while, so you see they're darker. And here it's fairly warm,
yeah.
so you can really see the difference. Lily,
Uh-huh.
this one here, how long have been here? One day?
Yes, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yesterday
Okay.
is a
So in one day they come from
this-
here
yeah.
to this color.
Yeah. And now.
And now she's making the hole.
Oh. And then let dry enough.